Oh my god, I'm literally about to cry. This is like the best thing I've ever drew. It's like really early in the morning right now. It's like 9:05, and I just like drew this with my drawing tablet, and I literally am about to cry. I mean, it looks like really cartoonish, and I really love this. It looks like a remake of this art that I made a while ago, and it was on my DA, which means DeviantArt page, but I don't know what happened to that DeviantArt page, and I'm doing, and I don't have that file right now, so once I go to my dad's, I'll be able to compare them, but this is the best thing I've ever drawn in my entire life. Literally. Hang on, I need to add a little bit of shading. That was something else. What the heck am I doing? Sorry. Okay, let me go get my shading out. I have no clue what the heck that, like, what just happened, but okay. But I missed a little bit of shading right here. There. Oh wait, shoot. I need to line up the shading. I'm such a noob. Oh, I need that. Okay, whatever. I could literally, like, words cannot describe how happy I am right now. I've literally never drew anything like this. It's like really cartoonish, and I like it. So apparently now this is my new art style. I don't know what happened. I just like got urged to say, hey, I'm gonna draw some cartoonish art, since that's the way I like to draw my humans, because humans are extremely hard to draw for me. I like to draw animals. So, yeah. I freaking love this, and this is definitely going on to my DeviantArt page. Oh, and this is just some mindless art I made earlier. I'm getting better at backgrounds, I think. Anyways, I'm literally so proud of this right now. Literally. Okay. So here's a little close-up if you guys want. Alright, I had to give it a watermark. Anyways, I'm still freaking sick. Like, I'm barely still sick. It needs to go away. No. It hurts. Anyways, so yeah. Here it is. I had my freaking watermark. I don't want anyone stealing this.